La mode, c'est sur les trottoirs. Ceci dit, il aurait peut-être...
I mean, it may take a little while to recover from the setback and this turn of events, but for the moment, business must go on, the show must go on. There is a collection, it's Paris Fashion Week, and I think we've all just got to try and put a kind of brave face on it.
Well, I think there you have a bit of everything. It's almost like a funeral in a way, where there's some people who come for the memory of the person, and then some people who are crying and sad, and some people are like, well, you know, he had a good life, and there's sort of a weird energy of positive and negative going on. We want to see what he did. We're all curious, and at the same time, you know, there are people here who are absolutely disgusted by him. I hear there are going to be protests today against him and for him.
Coming in earlier, I saw Patrick Demarchelier, who is a fixture at these shows and a very famous fashion photographer. Apparently there will be other fashion photographers, including Mario Testino, who we haven't seen come in the doors yet, but apparently he is slated to come, as well as Natalia Vodianova, a supermodel who comes often. However, we're not seeing other big names in the fashion industry like Kate Moss, who has turned out in seasons past, although, like I said, she doesn't turn out every season, so it's very difficult to say whether or not these absences are specifically attributable to the debacle here, or if it's just coincidence of calendar, of timing, and of people not being available or not wanting to come out to this show for other reasons. We just saw Anna Wintour and her entourage come in. She's the editor of American Vogue and is widely seen as the most influential woman in fashion. So from an editorial standpoint, in terms of editors, stylists, and journalists, they're definitely out in force today, even if the celebrities aren't.
Christian Dior porte l'image de la France et de ses valeurs dans le monde entier. Ce qui nous arrive aujourd'hui est une épreuve. Le fait que le nom de Dior ait pu être mêlé par l'intermédiaire de son designer, si brillant soit-il, à des propos intolérables, nous est très douloureux. Intolérables parce que de tels propos sont inacceptables. Au nom de notre devoir de mémoire, au nom de toutes les victimes de l'Holocauste, au nom du respect de tous les peuples, au nom de la dignité humaine. Douloureux parce que chacun chez Dior, qui s'est donné corps et âme à son travail, est stupéfait et attristé par ces paroles qualifiables. Douloureux enfin parce qu'il s'agit de quelqu'un que nous avons apprécié pour sa remarquable créativité. Car le cœur de la maison Dior, ce cœur qui bat et que l'on ne voit pas, ce sont les équipes et les ateliers. Toutes ces petites mains qui portent, jour après jour, sans jamais compter les heures, les valeurs et la vision de M. Christian Dior. Ces petites mains, aujourd'hui, ont le cœur serré. Ce que vous allez voir maintenant, le résultat de leur immense travail. Merci.
it's very much Dior. Dior show very nice. Galliano is my favorite designer.
You will continue to buy Dior and Galliano?
Galliano between Dior, for Dior, for House of Dior.
You will be a client of Dior?
Yes.
And of Galliano?
Yeah.
I think the show was great. I think you could feel again the heritage of Dior that Mr. Toledano discussed when he was addressing the audience. There was a great sort of outdoorsy Middle European feeling that was, that was sort of felt quite fresh for fall, I think.
And so how do you see the future of Dior?
I think the Dior, the brand is big enough and beyond anything else really on its own. So I think that, it will survive. It survived for so long. There's an amazing heritage and there will be, I think, a great future as well.
C'est dommage pour Messier Galliano, mais pour la Maison Dior il va continuer. C'est pas, vous savez, quand il existe un génie, quand même, en arrière est toujours l'équipe. Donc vous avez vu aujourd'hui, l'équipe sait très bien qu'est-ce qu'il a fait Messier Toledano d'organiser ça. Je pense que Messier Toledano qui a organisé ça, comme il a parlé et tout. Et c'est dommage pour Messier Galliano. J'espère J'espère qu'il ne pense pas vraiment qu'est-ce qu'il a dit. J'espère, voilà. Parce que c'est gravissime, voilà.
I think it's very, very strong, and I definitely, believe in it, and will buy it for the stores.
And how do you think clients will react?
I hope they react well. I think that the brand has great values, and I definitely hope that the clients still continue to support us.
I think it's very sad, and I really wish him all the best, and I hope he'll get help soon. Of course not the scandal, because it's people shouldn't take this personally, because John he's under influence of a disease that is beyond his power, and I know because I'm Russian. I've met alcohol people under influence of alcohol doing monstrous things before, and I never took it personally, but because I know what it's like, because it's a disease, but it doesn't, I'm sorry, everyone. Excess of anything, it's a bad thing.
What do you think of the show?
Ce qui était beau, c'est un hommage à la création, hommage à tous ces petits mains qui travaillent au quotidien pour la création, qui restent toujours dans l'ombre, et surtout, bien évidemment, hommage aux victimes de Shoah, qui était magnifique, parce que Sidney Toledano, lui-même étant juif, aura sûrement une peine de douleur avec ce genre de propos qui sont absolument inacceptables. Et ce qu'il a dit, ce qu'il a fait, c'était vraiment très bien.
C'était très particulier, c'était triste. On sentait, c'était triste à cause du départ de Galliano. Mais je comprends très bien la Maison Dior, c'est normal. Mais ils vont se priver d'un grand talent, mais ils n'avaient pas le choix.